incredible airport machines and vehicles across the world, built to provide comfort, carry luggage, repair aircraft, provide maintenance, and more. Here are the 10 astonishing airport machines and vehicles in the world. 10. SHERPA-E. The SHERPA-E provides powerful and reliable support for a variety of tasks at the airport, such as moving baggage or goods around from planes. This is done using a small tow tractor, which is 3.2 meters long and 1.4 meters wide, with a top speed of 30 kilometers per hour. This truck weighs 8 tons and has a 320 Newton-meter torque. The truck only takes 100 horsepower, which saves fuel. It can tow 80-ton cargo on mini wagons, as well as tow planes from the runway to airport hangars. The original intention was to not only produce this vehicle to be a cargo tractor, but also capable of moving aircraft up to 50 tons. 9. Tug 660. The US-produced TUG 660 belt loader is used to quickly load and unload passenger baggage from aircraft. It can be customized. The vehicle measures 7.6 meters long, 2 meters broad, and weighs 3 tons. Its motorized conveyor belt is more than 80 meters long and more than 60 meters wide, with a top speed of 15 kilometers per hour, a 900 kilogram load limit, an emergency braking system, and a 114 horsepower engine. The conveyor's front operating heights range from 43 to 170 inches. There are numerous controls at either end of the conveyor. This belt loader comes with safety features, like a retractable safety rail and an emergency hydraulic pump. 8. Champ 350. The Champ 350 is the most capable high loader in the world, with a load capacity of 35 tons on both the main and front platforms. This German-made machine can lift an enormous amount of weight up to a height of 5.6 meters. It's a 13-meter high by a 4.5-meter wide machine that can do something no other machines have been able to do before: move large objects from one place to another, safely and soundly. It is a machine that weighs 35 tons and is capable of lifting up to 13 kilometers per hour. The machine has a diesel engine with 138 HP, a turning radius of 14 meters, and 6 hydraulic outriggers. These qualities make the machine great and unmatched in the industry. 7. SCHMIDT AS990. This remarkable machine vehicle is used to remove hazardous metallic items and clear runways. The AS990 operates safely throughout the entire airport, while precisely sweeping large areas. The machine's powerful suction fan, rear-mounted sweeping mechanism, and 2 optional circular brushes let it quickly and efficiently cover large areas. Rotating brushes on its front blade sweep away debris, while a powerful vacuum grabs everything else. It also includes a powerful magnet that can easily grab metal components. It has a length of 8.2 meters, a weight of 6 tons, and a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour. It has a 335 horsepower engine and can go at 90 kilometers per hour. 6. Øveraasen RS400. This Norwegian-made device is used to remove snow from the runway. This can be accomplished without delaying commercial flights. The front-mounted snow plow is 12.7 meters in length and 6.1 meters in width and weighs 14.2 tons. With its built-in air blaster, it can blow snow and any other foreign object garbage, it doesn't matter what it is, at a speed of 335 miles per hour. The 2,100 Newton-meter power of the 435 horsepower snow removal blade allows it to remove snow at a speed of up to 65 kilometers per hour. A wiper made of steel and polyester is also included for cleaning the runway. The engine has 435 horsepower, and the operating width is 5.5 meters. 5. SAFEAERO 220. This remarkable machine truck is designed to remove ice from airplane surfaces and just requires a single controller. You can complete big jobs with a minimal workforce when using the SAFEAERO 220, a one-person de-icing truck. It is made to suit each airport business requirements. Built to hold both small and large aircraft. All sizes of aircraft, including the Airbus A380, can use it. It weighs 18 tons and has a dimension of 8.2 by 3.2 meters. Its extensible arm can be extended to a length of 8 meters, and its sprayer can spread to a height of 20 meters. A cutting-edge generating mixture is used in its spraying technique to produce more, while using less fluid. 4. PAXWAY. It is a dual boarding bridge, made in Japan, that can be modified to fit different types of aircraft. It is constructed of steel and glass, and is intended to increase passenger safety and comfort. It allows passengers to enter the airplane swiftly because there are no steps. Wheelchair users can board with ease as well. It boasts a control cabin that only requires one person to run it, an automatic docking system that uses artificial intelligence technology, and boarding bridges for the first time. 3. Panther 8x8. It is a brand new, 12-meter long, 52-ton firefighting vehicle manufactured in Austria. Its tanks hold 12,000 liters of water, 1,500 liters of firefighting foam, and 250 kilograms of firefighting powder used to eliminate the fire. With up to 1,450 horsepower, a top speed of 135 kilometers per hour, and a capacity for extinguishing medium of up to 19,000 liters. The Panther 8x8 raises the standard for engine power and extinguishing power. The model's acceleration from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in less than 25 seconds and pump output of 10,000 L per min put it in a world of its own. 2. TaxiBot. The Israel developed this semi-robotic tow tractor, very effective at dragging aircraft from the gate to the runway. It may be used when an aircraft lacks maneuverability. Its hybrid engine produces 800 horsepower, with a top speed of 42 kilometers per hour. It weighs 27 tons and can tow large airplanes. The pilot is in control of the airplane while it is being towed, and it can be maneuvered in several different ways. 1. Multi-Solution Gate AS500. It is a groundbreaking automatic cleaning technology for airplanes that was developed in Norway and can defrost and wash a big plane in less than 30 minutes. Both an electric pull and a sequence of high-pressure water jets with de-icing agents are used in the procedure to drive the airplane through the ice and debris. With this technology, operating expenses and turnaround time can be greatly reduced. Additionally, it conducts a general inspection and administers an antifreeze solution to get the aircraft ready for flight. This brings us to the end of today's video. Please comment below on what machine to bring to you next. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click to watch our full vehicle playlist.